Well, alright everybody, let's go ahead and put together this delicious pizza. I already got my tomato sauce down, so let's start off with our meat. As I always like, the yummy salami. Let's get our garlic on there. And on today's pizza, we are having spinach, some hard salami, garlic, oyster mushrooms, and a few types of cheese. Alright. Alright, got some garlic on there, kind of spread out. As always, sorry for the ticking in the background. That's just my oven, and that's just the noise it makes when it stays hot, because I gotta keep that oven super hot for y'all. Get our spinach on there. Love spinach on a pizza. Really good pizza topping. Quite underutilized by a lot of people. So let's make sure get the good stuff on there. Alright, making it easy for you guys. Let's get some oyster mushrooms. Evenly spread out all throughout the pizza. Nice. Looking good so far. And now, finish it off. We just need some cheese, some good milk fats on there to lock all this in. Alrighty, I got those right here. Today's cheese, we got some hard mozzarella here. And I also got some Colby Jack. Alright guys, had the strangest feeling that I'm probably gonna not do this one so good because I got a little sloppy with my pizza sauce. So, it's kind of being sticky. So, let's see, it seems to be moving on me. Let's see if I can get it down. Kind of bad angle, but let's go. Come on baby, be nice. And just adjust that last bit. Woo! Alright, that went a little bit better than I was expecting. It's kind of sticking on the tray there. As you can see, this tomato sauce wanted to start leaching off and getting on my board and making it all sticky, but that worked. I'm happy with that. Adjust to, let's go to toast, put it in the back, let's crank it. It's not too loud. Pizza is just now finished up, and, well, you know, it seems like everyone really loves wood-fired pizza, and wood-fired pizza always gives you that nice, crunchy, charred crust. Can't really do that in your regular oven, but I got myself the cheat code. So, I'm gonna show you guys how I cheat here, and I end up getting that real kind of wood-fired style pizza. So, you know, not everyone can have their own little wood-fired oven at home, but you got some heat source that you can put to it, something like this little propane welding tank I got here. Well, you can go up, make it look just like you took it out of the wood-fired oven. Make it look just like it. Look at this beauty here. That's it. That's what we're looking at. See the beautiful charred edges now. And that's how she looks, folks. Gorgeous pizza. And just to, so you can hear all the crunch in it. Because you always got to evaluate it. You got to check it out, chop it up. Make sure it's everything as advertised. And just to kind of show you, ooh, got a real good crunch going on there. The bottom, real delicious, folks. All right, take some pictures of it and enjoy.